Hello, good day everyone. My name is Juvel T. Condi, Masterand of NIMSO Tagbina, taking a Master of Arts in Social Science. So, in my first year. So, we are tasked to present a YouTube video about our research project. So, the title of my research, this is a historical research. So, the title of my research is Preserving Identity, the Kamayo Tribe of Baliksi, and their contribution to the cultural and historical fabric of Tagbinas, Surigao del Sur. So, as we all know, there are many Kamayo tribes here in Mindanao. So, it is sparsely distributed in many parts of Mindanao, especially in Surigao del Sur. And Tagbina is one of those places or municipalities where there are many Kamayo speaking or Kamayo tribe, no? Specifically residing in Maliksi, Tagbina. So the purpose of this research is to uh, preserve their identity or make records or notes about this tribe because there is no many studies no or records conducted about this tribe and as well as how to preserve them. So abstract of the study. This comprehensive research explores the intricate cultural heritage, historical significance, and contemporary challenges faced by the Kami tribe in Maliksi. No? Uh, Through a multidisciplinary approach, the study is meticulously examines the tribe's linguistic, social, anthropological, and cultural dynamics, aiming to document, analyze, and preserve the tribe's unique identity and profound contributions to the regional and national landscapes. So, uh, because of globalization and urbanization, there's a fear that uh, one day, no, the the essence of the tribe, no, being a Kamayo, will be lost forever, no, as assimilation goes by and intermarriage of the majority Visayan folks. So there's a fear that this tribe, this their culture, this their social anthropological existence will be lost through time. So the purpose of this research is to uh, preserve, no, explore and preserve and put into record what is the Kamayo tribe of Tagbina. So indigenous cultural preservation context. Okay, theoretical framework, post-colonial anthropological perspectives. Uh, Post-colonial kasi uh, ano na ang nangyayari sa tribo na ito after sa colonial. Actually, wala pa yung mga Spanish. Mayroon nang established na mga Kamayo tribe, no? They are living near big bodies of water, near the rivers of Tagbina and sa Surigao del Sur, no? Near rivers kasi most of the Kamayos, they are rice farmers, no? So theoretical framework, post-colonial anthropological perspectives, critical indigenous studies approach, intersectional cultural analysis methodology. So critical indigenous studies approach kasi under the APRA law, hindi hindi natin basta-basta nilalabas uh, yung sacredness at saka yung serenity ng isang tribe. Hindi yan basta-basta nilalabas, no? Need nilang mag-convene, no? Need pa nila mag-convene with their group, with their tribal leaders. If ever there are studies because the outcome of the studies will define the tribe, no? Kaya critical indigenous studies ang approach ang gagawin natin, no? With respect to the EPRA law and the Data Preservation Act, ano? Okay, significance of indigenous heritage. Ano nga ba yung significance ng Kamayo tribe towards the municipality and to the nation itself, no? Ano yung cultural mosaic of Philippine Archipelago? Yung mga oral traditions nila, unwritten oral traditions that's being passed down from generation to generation, no? So yung mga awitin nila, yung mga tula nila, yung mga folk tales nila yun. Okay? Global human rights imperative to safeguard indigenous identities, no? Global human rights kasi yun yung ano natin before the law, mayroon na yung human rights. Nauna tayo eh. Okay? Resistance against cultural homogenization. So ito, how do the Kamayo tribe resist the homogenization, no? Yung being one with other tribes or with the dominant tribes or with the dominant group. Kasi minority itong Kamayo. Yan sinabi ko kanina, there's a fear that this tribe will be, the culture of this tribe, through assimilation, globalization, it will be lost through time. Okay? So, comprehensive Kamayo tribe profile. So, ito yung second page ng ano natin, is ipo-profile natin yung Kamayo tribe. Kasi, different Kamayo tribes from different places, they have different culture, they have different practices, rituals, and yung dialect, the Kamayo language, there are words that differ, no? Isang meaning lang pero iba yung pagkasalita. Okay? So we're going to focus on the detailed demographic characteristics, geographical distribution, nuance, traditional lifestyles analysis, religious and spiritual practices. No? Mga Muslim ba ito or mga Christian ba ito or ano ba ito yung mga pagan, no? Pagan. Rich artistic and cultural expressions. May mga instruments ba sila? May mga kanta ba sila? Mga tula, ganyan. So, ito yung ipoprofile natin para magkaroon ng record yung tribe na ito sa Maliksi. Kasi wala pang masyadong nasulat or na-compile na mga documents pertaining to the Kamayo tribe of Tagbina. Okay. Comprehensive cultural preservation challenges. Ito yung ang challenge talaga, no? Yung pag-preserve ng culture nila. Okay? Kasi multifaceted challenges. Globalization, virtualization, homogenization, cultural assimilation, politics, no? Education, yan. Marami mga challenges. Equal ba yung mga opportunity na nare-receive nila compared sa yung mga dominant na mga grupo? Systemic challenges, nakakasabay ba sila sa mga bagong sa mga yung mga lupain nila, protected ba by protektado ba siya ng eminent domain, no? Economic constraints, no? Yung lifestyle nila, ano ba? Are they living poorly in their environmental conditions or elitist ba sila? Mayayaman ba sila sa kanilang lugar? Yan. Okay. Advanced research methodology. So, gagamitin natin comprehensive research design. So, ito yun, no? May 5 points. Ethno-historical documentation, participatory action research, may mga focus group discussions tayo, linguistic documentation, yung mga language nila, yung mga salita nila. Do-document natin ano ang meaning ng ganito na word, no? Anthropological field studies, may mga materials ba sila doon, no? Example, yung bill doon na iniwan ng mga Spanish. So, hindi na record yun. Mayroon pala dito sa Tagbina. Specifically doon sa Maliksi. Ano ang cultural doon? Symbolism. sa pagiging sa mga Kamayo, yung bell na iniwan ng mga Espanyol. Community-based collaborative research. Okay? So, pag may mga previous study na nagawa, makikommunicate tayo doon, makikollaborate. Methodological innovations, ang gagamitin natin, mixed method research, collaborative indigenous research protocols, of course, ethical community engagement, yung hanggang saan lang tayo, no? Kung yung mga limitations natin. Okay, conclusion on future directions. This research comprehensively demonstrates the critical importance of documenting and preserving indigenous cultural identities, emphasizing the Kamayo tribe's remarkable cultural resilience and intrinsic richness. So I'm very excited for this research. I hope na magawa ito sa mas madaling panahon kasi time is of the essence. We are slowly losing the battle to preserve or to preserve the rich Kamayo culture, no? The dialect, the rituals. Yan. So, thank you for listening.